Hey everybody, it's Wakeangel2K1, and we're doing another quick unboxing. Now, this comes from Raspberry Fur. I kind of like how he crudely drew my little angel symbol on this side of the box. So, backstory. Technically, he's not violating the sentient commission thing. This guy is actually the #1 spot on my commission queue, where they've been sitting on that spot pretty much for the entire year of 2020. I think they've been #1 since at least March, maybe April at the very latest. The thing is, the figure that even though they already came up naturally on the queue, they decided to send the toy to me anyway because it was difficult to find at retail. But apparently some delay happened. I don't know what the exact circumstances were, but they only got around to sending it now. That's why I'm getting it. And in that intervening time, a couple extra figures have been added, as is their right. I mean, they did wait to naturally come up on the queue and totally did. So let's open this box up and see what's in there. This thing is taped really weird. I'm trying to figure out what the top is. Alright, I'm assuming I go into this scene here. But then, where's the corresponding scene? Okay, that's... This is... Okay, yeah, I see it. There's so much tape you just can't see the scene. Yes, okay, got that done. Like, the box itself is part of the puzzle. Okay, then I get that. I didn't bother to cover my address. I hope I'm not flashing it all over the camera. Okay. And this should be... I really hate that thing on my watch. Okay. Yay! Okay, so the lid of the box comes off. Alright. Got a little bit of a thank you note in there. It's very cute. Basically says, thank you, Angel. You made my childhood. Huh. It's funny, like, I have longtime fans. There are adults who have grown up watching my YouTube videos. Like, wow. That makes me feel things. Alright, there's another thing here. Okay, that's just, okay, that's the return address, like their email, how to contact them on various sites. That's no need to share publicly. Oh wow. For Rasmus Fox, Okay, basically this is a quick little reminder of what I'm to make that's in this box. So basically, Wolf from the Star Fox series, Zero the Jackal, that would be, you know, this guy, Infinite before he became Infinite, but in the 4-inch scale for the Jakks Pacific figures. That was recently added over the course of the year when the Jakks Pacific figures became a thing. And some soap shoes that I can put onto a Jakks Pacific figure, so that we can have a Sonic Adventure 2 Sonic. And, haha, the tiny little R-Wing, the Micro Machine size R-Wing that comes with Fox. He included that in the package. Oh, he gave me a spare Jakks Pacific Tails figure that I could pick parts off of. This would appear to be the same Tails figure that I already have. Based on the shape of the tails, I know apparently the Tails re-release had the tails in a different position. So there's that. Here's the Star Fox figure. I guess this is what I'm to make Wolf out of. Okay. Yep. Whoa, it looks like his tail... Okay, this is... his the crossbar that holds his tail on the pin disc came out, but that's easy to fix. I would have to take it off anyway, because Wolf has a bigger tail than Fox does. Alright. And... oh! This is the Wave 2 Sonic figure. Oh, you know what? This is the Wave 2 Sonic figure with the snowboard accessory. And I have been getting some criticisms that I said I was skipping this one because it seemed to just be a re-release. But some people said that there are differences, so now that I actually have it, I can actually do a review and compare it to my Wave 1 figure. So, you know, there's something right there. So, yeah, I'll do an independent review of this Sonic figure. I can already tell, like, he does have a very different facial expression. He has a smiling face. You'll see that when I actually do the review video. And, yes, he has the snowboard, which has a peg. Yep, there we go. And... here is the 4-inch Shadow figure. Yep. And there's one more thing. Ooh. A little gun. Why is there a little gun? Nothing here comes with a gun. Weird. Oh yeah! I almost forgot this. He included the 2.5-inch Shadow figure from Wave 2 of the 2.5-inch line. Like I said, I personally decided that I wasn't going to continue collecting the 2.5-inch line unless it was a character that wasn't appearing in the 4-inch line or could reasonably scale with the 4-inch line. Things such as Badniks, they decided to make more variants of the Chow, possibly the classic characters. I'll have to actually see how the classic characters stack up. But yeah, like, a lot of people really did praise this particular Shadow figure and they wanted to see it. Okay, so yeah, that's everything that came in this box. It's surprisingly a lot that goes into this little tiny box. See, this is what happens when you take them out of that big bulky packaging. It makes you able to stick so much stuff in there. Alright. So yeah, got some things that I gotta customize. Got some other things that I can actually make follow-up videos for. So, yeah, thank you for sitting through the unboxing. This is Wakeangel2K1, and we'll see you next time.